Hi, my name is Colby. Um, I've never really made any YouTube videos before, so this will be my first one that I've put out to public. Kind of, I can't really sleep right now, and usually when that happens I'll stay up and write a poem, or I'll draw something, or do something to occupy my mind so that I can fall asleep, but I figured tonight I would just sort of do this instead. I'm going to read poems that I've written, and I've posted online. I haven't really gotten much feedback for them, but the ones that I'm going to read have gotten some reasonably good feedback, and hopefully you'll like them. So I'll just go ahead and get started. The first one I've recently written, it's called Come All Nature Through. So I'll just sort of read it now. Where dies my love I lie, to protect her from the bad weather. I sit by her grace, in the place we pick to bed, for the long nights whatever. It rains heavy from the skies, from this feeling of being alone it too rains from my eyes. What I remember with her comes loose into the thunder, cries so loud my voice cracks and falters. Lightning sometimes ignites the sky for a brief second like life, and then lost again into the blowing night. Blow on, so that I might be frozen here, let it hail too. Come hurricane, come tidal floods, come all nature through. I'll keep her as perfect as she was. I will, in her place, be the one to decompose. So, that was the first one. I guess I'll read a couple more. I think that should be sufficient for a YouTube video. The next one got some pretty good feedback, I think. As much as can be expected for the websites that I use. This one is called Almost Love. It's pretty special to me, but I hope that you, the viewer, enjoy it as well. Almost Love. I loved you too much, but it was not enough. Throw away the lifetime spent. Throw away the wonder years. Throw away the love unspent. Please shed your almost tears. Run away because the world is yours. Run away because there are no answers here. Run away for the blessed shores. Let go of your homesick fears. Far away your old self will lie. Far away this sunless gray. Far away this empty prize. Please go now to that loving bay. Wash away the textbook answers. Wash away the broken pride. Wash away this cold reality, and I'll wait till last we meet perfectly, side by everlasting side. So go now, go with the tide. And the next one I will read is one that if I can find it here. Here we go. This one got kind of mixed replies, but I still like it, and I'm going to read it. It's pretty short, so it's a good one to end on, I think. This one is called Twice. Keep your precious secrets. Keep those treasured regrets. For when those sunken mysteries have risen to the sun, I'll be waiting there to release my withheld tongue. Be it spite or pity, you do not know the price. But that you've kept them from me, the pain is reflected twice. So, thank you for watching. I don't really know what to say after that. I guess I'll just end the video. So, but yeah, thank you, and good night.